Yung hinahanap ko sa isang candidate ay
Yung namamansin kahit hindi elections.
Siyempre intellectual at the same time yung approachable. Yung iba kasi yung humingiti-ngiti lang na makakausap mo talaga, tsaka yung talaga nakikipag-interact sa students.
A frenetic leader. Frenetic leader. Responsible, friendly.
Yung helpful. Basta kahit hindi elections, yung hindi nagbabago. Yung what they say, they do.
Siguro yung basically skills ng mga leader. Yung how they can interact with people and at the same time work responsibly.
Visible and active.
syempre yung meron na siyang background dun sa position na tinatakbuhan niya. At syempre alam ko na meron siya ng personality para i-lead yung AIT tsaka yung mga students nito para maging mas maganda yung institution.
Yung responsible talaga. As in yung dedicated na student council person. Kasi our institute, dapat mas ma-boost pa siya ngayon. Lalo na yung last na council kasi. I think naman na they have tried to talagang ma-lift yung status ng AIT. Lalo na ng AIT studentry. So siguro yung mas ma-improve or mas sustain kung ano man yung nasimulan nila.